Hello everyone, it's me, Sarah B. I am back today with something very exciting. I mean, besides my daughter who's refusing to wear clothes right now. Super exciting. Never met a camera she didn't like. Anyway, I've been complaining for a while that so many of the boxes that I try are not really geared to people of my size, and I finally took your comments to heart and got off my rear end and ordered a Dia box. I am so excited and really nervous to see what this box holds. It's a wee little box. It's a tiny box. So I'm really, like, the mail just came. I just got it. I ran up to take care of this unboxing video because it's of the utmost importance, which is also when my daughter is with me. I just could not wait any longer. And now I can't get in the box and it's being really cruel. So Dia, I thought Dia maybe was more like Gwynnie Bee, where it's subscription, not a subscription, like a rental service. Which I had looked into, and that was like, I don't know. Maybe I need to look into that again too. But it's $20, just style box. You credit that $20 towards whatever you keep. You send back whatever you don't keep. Why haven't I done this sooner? Right? It's just like so many other boxes I do, except geared for people like me. Look how beautiful it is. Bee, do you love that? Is it so beautiful? It says, woo, going crazy over here. Sarah, thanks for letting us style you. And this is how much everything costs. Okay.
Oh no! What?
So this is the invoice and the little note from the stylist, which I'm not going to look at yet because I want to see everything before I figure out how much it costs. The bag to mail things back in for what I don't want. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And here's my bundle. It is dense. I was worried about the little box, but I think they're just awesome at packing. So, yay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, I love it. This is from Daniel Rain. Doesn't have a name on it other than just me from Dia. Oh my gosh. You guys. Okay, so that's piece number 1. I think you get 5 pieces in this box. I am in trouble, I can already tell. Look at this! You guys, this is from Sabrina and Blue. It's wonderful. That's all I can say about that so far. The third piece, oh man, from Chelsea and Theodore, a wonderful cardigan. It's like weighty, it's hefty. I really appreciate it. It's stretchy and lovely. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're pants. They're red pants. Can I do this? B says no. Will this go with that, right? Right? And then the cardigan on top? I was just trying to get my... Oh my God. I am not typically a bag person, but I have an event that I need to go to. I need a bag, and look at this bag. I fear as though I am in some serious trouble with this box. And maybe subliminally, that is why I never tried it, because I knew deep down. All right, I'm trying things on. I will be right back. If you had told me even last week that I'd be wearing a pair of these color pants, I don't even know what the color is. They're red, they're maroon, they're red. I would have laughed at your face. Moreover, that they were like skinny and like so form-fitting. Holy crap, you guys. Holy crap. And look at this top. How lovely is that? And like tunicky and long. Look at the armpits. So many shirts, and only people I hate to generalize. People, not only people, but I'm sure there are many people who can appreciate that the openings under shirts are too wide, they're too low, and so they can show off your bra in ways that you don't necessarily want to show off your bra. And it doesn't do that, you guys! I'm very excited. And now here's the cardigan that could go with it now that we're in chillier weather. Which has no closure, I'm realizing. Which is like a thing that I like in my cardigans, but doesn't have to. It's a little big, but that's okay too. I could get like a pin, a brooch perhaps, to put in clothes if I really feel the need to, but I don't. And this is like, the pants are incredible. They fit perfectly. They're super comfortable. I'm not thrown off at all by the color or like the capri length or that they're fitted. I feel like I could totally rock this, you guys. All right, I have the dress to try on yet. And again, fits perfectly. No pockets, but you can't have it all, can you? Lovely. Swishy. It's like a crepe material. The bottom it is. It's not lined, which I feel like that about. I'd rather it be lined, but no, dude, this is amazing. I am delighted and overwhelmed in like the best possible way. But now I have to see how much it all costs. So let's get to that. And the purse, I didn't go into greater detail. So you can use it as a clutch, or it does have a giant gold chain that you can use it over the shoulder. But look how it opens from the top. And there's an inner pocket inside too. And I, as you know, tend to over-plan things. So all my purses are giant. As anyone who knows me can tell you, they are all enormous. I don't own any clutches. Minus one that was like my great aunt's. That I don't use because it was my great aunt's. Anyway, let's figure out how much all of this costs. Let's read my note. From my designer. So here's the note from my stylist. Welcome to the Fabulous Dia family. I would like to introduce myself a bit. My name is Amber, and I'm from Dallas. Some of my favorite things to do is try new foods, online shopping, and making seasonal polymer clay jewelry. Very exciting. One important thing I know about you is that you're a mom that wants to start out with more colorful pieces. Yes, that's what I've included for you. Every lady deserves a classy pair of pants that make her feel cool and confident any time of the year. Wear these raspberry pants with a blouse and cardigan, along with a pair of ankle boots for a smooth transition into fall. I might have to get some ankle boots. Slip on this very fun and stunning dress, also with a cardigan and bag, the next time you have an evening out. Please tell me more about you. At Dia, we don't want to just build wardrobes. We also build relationships. Out of the park, Amber. Out of the park. Now, let's see. Oh, man. Okay. Also makes a stylish hat, apparently. The dress, oh my gosh. That's nice, Phoebe. The Palm Bay sleeveless faux wrap waist-defining dress is $65 for an awesome dress. I feel like that's a really good price. Aye, aye. The ball hump printed clutch is $38. I have no idea how much purses cost. Is that okay? Is that a decent price? I don't know. I'm going to say yes, because I like it a lot. Stay. The Rose Ottoman Stitch cardigan in ivory is $50, $49. That's about what I pay for cardigans. I don't have one this color. I have lots of gray cardigans. I don't have this color mostly because of children like this with sticky fingers, but I should probably have at least one. Yikes. Okay, camera's going crazy. The cropped straight leg trouser from Ryan Wife. Gesundheit. I don't think I even said that. Ryan Wife. W-Y-T-H-E. $69. $69 for a pair of pants, I feel is about right. And the Allison V-back sleeveless tank that I will not part with is also $69. I feel like they belong together. Don't they? They just belong together. So here's the thing. The merchandise total is $290. I didn't pay a styling fee this time because it was my very first box. So I'm not out anything. If I were to keep everything, you save 25%. So I would save $72.50 if I kept everything, making my grand total for the whole box to be $217.50. Right? I feel like that amazing Stitch Fix box that I kept the whole box because it was amazing. I feel like I'm there again. Does that, like... Yeah. Because I enjoy everything. And I save more by keeping the clutch than by sending it back. Isn't that crazy? That's how they get you. But I think this box is a total win. And you can hear the delighted sounds of a little girl who has a happy mama. She has something to wear. I am really, really happy with this box. And chances are strong. I'm going to do some more math and look at my budget. But I think everything just has to stay with me. I think it just does. Now I have a cute purse that's fun and not just blah. And lovely clothes that I will feel awesome and confident in and can perhaps hit the town with. Yay! How exciting is that? So thank you to everyone who was so patient with me and constantly repeating their request that I try Idea Box. You were right all along, and I am so grateful. But the timing, I think, was just right. That this box came at exactly now, and it has all these awesome clothes in it, and yeah, I cannot wait for my next box. So, hooray! Thanks for joining me as always in this frantic, crazy, shaky video. I was just way too excited to open it, to wait for somebody's nap. And it paid off, I think. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, be well. Say bye.